This is Newton's laws again. Question 32 in the book on page 144. This is related to question 31. If you didn't watch that one, go back and watch question 31. It's about the baseball and the batter. Basically, this question just changes things a bit. In the first question, in question 31, we had a baseball with an initial speed of 0. So it was kind of like playing t-ball. The ball was sitting on the tee, and then they hit it. The only difference is, in this question, the ball is now being pitched, right? So in this case, we have the ball pitched at 60 kilometers an hour. So in question 32, V1 is 30 kilometers an hour. Now, we've got to be careful about this. First, we have to change it to meters per second, as usual. So we take 30, conversion, 30 divided by 3.6. Make sure you watch the conversion video. 8.33-ish meters per second. That's close enough. But you have to also imagine what's going on. If you're going to take a ball and it's being pitched this way, and then it's going to hit your bat over here and go this way, then the V1 is in the opposite direction as the V2. So guess what that means? The V1 has to be in the opposite direction, so we better use a negative number for the V1 to show that it's going to be in the opposite direction as our V2. Our V2 is 60 kilometers an hour. That's given in the question. And you change that to meters per second as well by dividing by 3.6. But you can kind of guess it'll just be twice as much as the other one. So it's, guess what it is, 16.6, right? Meters per second. So the trick here is to remember that your V1 is a minus because the pitch is the opposite direction as the ball. So when you do your acceleration, V2 minus V1 over t, your V2 isn't just going to be, well, it's going to be 16.6, sorry. But your V1 is a minus, and the formula wants you to subtract a minus number. So when you subtract a minus 8.3 here, this turns in, and then you divide by your time, which is the same amount of time, 0.01 is the other question. It's actually 16.6 turns into plus 8.3 over 0.01. So that's how you have to do there. You have to get your A, finish that off, which you can do, and then F net equals MA. Use the mass of the ball, which is 0, nope, sorry, not 0. It's grams, right? You have to change it to kilograms. The ball is 0.140. Decimal 140 kilograms, and then multiply by the acceleration that you got up here. But you have to get that acceleration by being careful about your V1 and V2s. V1 is a negative number because